Okay, and I want to make sure I can clearly see what's going on. So, compile, save, go ahead and save this. That sets up this, and then we're going to do pretty much the same thing, but we're going to change it just a little bit. Branch. Yeah, all of these are going to have to change, unfortunately. Okay, there we go. Then both of these are going to set. Teleported 3. Set teleported 3. Let's see. And overlap. Set teleporter 1. Okay, so that's that part. That's that part. So check if false. Branch. Okay, so if you have teleported from either teleporter 1 or teleporter 2, back off. Then we're going to get a cast. Third person character. Make sure all 3 are false, yes. Set teleported 3. Oh, fine. Set that to true. Set actor location. Okay, so this is where it's going to get kind of weird. So what we're going to do is do a random int in range. Select on int. Okay. That's not what I need. Let's see, where is switch on it? That's what I was needing. So we're actually going to run that right here. Okay. Got a random int in range, 0 to 1. Okay, so now we're going to have a little fun with it. In that, if this works, then what it will do is it will go through, choose a random integer, and based on that integer, choose one of the two other set actor location. It's going to choose one of the other two teleporters to actually send the player to, as opposed to just sending him to an arbitrary location. Location. Okay, so that's that. Then we need to do that one more time. And do that. So set that. And I'll make this look prettier here in just a minute. So sorry. I don't really care which one goes where, because both of them still have a 50-50 chance to be selected, so it doesn't really matter in the long run. Okay. So all we can hope is that this does not completely fuck up, which would be my luck. And if this works, then let's see. Jump on here, sends me over there. Jump up here, sends me over there. Jump up here, sends me up there. Ha! It works. Completely randomized locations. Well, not completely randomized locations, but randomized between the 3 points. So we have a teleporter that now it's a 3-piece teleporter where you can jump in one and pop out at any of the other in the selection. And what's great about this is because we built it with the vectors exposed, we can actually move these around. So if you had a teleporter system that you wanted to set up and you wanted, to be able to teleport to this landscape over here on a random chance, or just take out the randomization, that's fine too. I was doing that because it's fun. And you can jump over here, jump right here, up, and now you're outside. Boom. Simple, 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 simple stuff. Very much fun. Now, of course, it'd be much more noticeable that it was random if we were using, 5 or 6 of these. And then you do, right here, you do random int and range and select all of them, and then go, okay, well, if you select any of these numbers, go to X, Y, Z, A, B, whatever. But yeah, that is, I can't believe that freaking worked. So, just a quick overview. What we did, set up 3 teleporters, gave each one a static mesh and a collision box, came into the construction script. We set each one to a vector location and set it to relative location so that we can move it. And each of those vector locations are editable, and we have a 3D widget inside of the viewport so that we can actually edit it from view as opposed to trying to hard code everything. Came to the event graph. We have 3 end overlaps, one for each of the teleporter's collision boxes. They unset a Boolean value for each of the other teleporters. So teleported 1 and teleported 2 are on teleporter 3. Makes sense? Okay. Then, for each one of the things, I'm only going to go through one, but each one of them does pretty much the same thing. If you overlap the box on the teleporter, it does a branch check and says, okay, did you teleport from teleporter 2? No. Did you teleport from teleporter 1? No. That was to prevent infinite loops. If you don't do that or put a delay or something in, you'll get infinite loops, and that's just a pain to deal with. Luckily, it doesn't crash the engine anymore. Okay. If both of those return false, you come over here, other actor, cast it to the third person character. So you're asking, are you third person character? If yes, we set the Boolean value, in this case it's teleporter 3, to true. So that's saying I have teleported recently. Then it comes to a switch on int, of which we only have 2 values right now. But you get a random integer in range, so it's going to randomize whether it's 0 or 1. And then, depending on whether it's 0 or 1, you're going to set the player's new location from the as third person character. Set the player's new location to either teleporter 1 or teleporter 2, based on whichever integer you chose. So yeah, that's that. This is one I will probably end up writing a tutorial for when I have time, which so far precious little of. But we're going to go ahead and porter and reset. Alright, let me see if there's any questions on this real quick before we go and move into other things, or if anyone has questions that I can answer in the chat, I will answer them. I haven't gotten any emails, so I'm assuming that no one's sending the emails right now. I'd prefer you didn't send them right now, because I'm not going to go check until after the stream. Just, you know, not that fun. Okay. Damn, that was fun. I haven't done that in a while. Okay. So, let's see if anyone has any questions real quick. I'm going to give it another minute or so before I move on. Boop. Boop. Okay. Looks like there are none. TK4 said he doesn't have any. Hopefully y'all find some use for this. If not, well, I enjoy it. So, yeah, yeah. I'm just going to make a noise and pretend like it matters to someone. It doesn't matter to anyone. Okay, well, what else can I make in this time? Let's see, I have an hour left to go. What would be a fun little thing to do? Ooh, I know. Okay, I'm going to see if I can do this again, because this thing that I made a few days ago that was kind of cool, I'm going to have to try to remember how to do it. I'm going to go to my first person gun stuff. Go to my character. See, that's the widget stuff that wasn't working properly.